Hi, today I'd like to make your life easier by showing you how to use our Naviate Road Curb Return function. Here we have an intersection with two offset alignments. By using our Naviate Road Curb Return, we can see that we can create multiple curves based off of a template. This one's already preloaded with some AASHTO standards. Now, you can also come through and create your own template for your own city or county or state requirements based off of the number of curves, number of free curves, set the radius, length, and deflection angle, and then we can just save that into our multiple curve template. Here I'm going to use a WB50 setup and create a fixed alignment coming in off of our main highway here. I'm going to select my first two tangent points and my second two tangent points. I'm going to then choose what direction I want my alignment to be in. Let's call this one Highway 161 and Road A. Now we have our fixed alignment based off of our WB settings. Over here, I'm going to use our Naviate Road Curb Return to do a simple multiple curve template for a passenger vehicle. Notice how these are already preset, and I'm going to create a connected alignment. Select my offset alignment in and out. Select that quadrant. We're going to call this one Road A and Road B, Southeast. And just that simple. Now I have a connected alignment. It's going to be based off of my center line. So if we need to make any modifications or changes to it, then everything dynamically links together. Thank you, and have a great day.